Maybe some reverb automation because it gets too dry. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. That's cool. Let's bounce it as audio because I want to cut off the reverb tail when the drop fill is coming. And if you use Logic reverb automation, it's not right. The timing is just not on the grid. It's super annoying. But so that's the reason why I bounce it to audio, to make sure it really cuts off the reverb. Maybe it's cool to even get like a tape stop effect on it at the end, at the very end. Let's see how that sounds. Maybe 2000. Maybe some curve. Oh, that's the wrong curve. Maybe a little bit less. Tommy Jayden.